In today's video, we'll be creating this roller text effect in Canva. Start with a blank video canvas. I'm changing my background to red. Let's add some text and duplicate the same letter about 8 times. Adjust the size and choose your desired font. Select the text and tap on Animate. Select the Ascend option. Duplicate the line of text. Change each line of text so it spells your desired word. Click play and watch how it rolls. Next, go to Elements and add a shape. Change the shape's color to the same as your background color. Resize the shape and place it at the top of your text as I did here. Change the shape's position to the top so that it covers your text. Duplicate your shape and place it on the bottom part of your text so that only one line is visible. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.